Time to start thinking about securing your financial future, regardless of how old you are, regardless of how wealthy you might be, and regardless of where you live. Let's talk about this really important topic right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 480. Thought I'd come outside this morning, early morning, and record this video for you. There's a lot going on, obviously, around the world right now with inflation going up, cost of living going up, job uncertainties, wages not keeping up with inflation, and a lot of property values starting to drop. In fact, I saw just this morning, reading one of the UK online papers, they're talking about potentially up to a 30% fall in their house prices. So property investors, maybe not such a good time now with higher interest rates and falling values if you already own property as well. With mortgage rates going up and up, it's making things harder and harder for people to afford property, and so therefore it's not so attractive. Also overnight, my time, Britain has raised their cash rate from 2.25% up to 3%. That's actually a 33% rise. Huge. Just this week, the US have also gone from 3.25% to 4%, and on Tuesday, Australia went from 2.6 to 2.85. Other countries did something similar just a week or so prior. And that's just, this week, just those three countries. We're also getting news about pension drops, and I saw again on an English online paper here, this comment about my pension fund has plunged, wiping out almost all the gains over the last 8 years. So people are sort of saying, well, their pension funds, if they're coming up to retirement age, let's say, your value of your pension fund some 8 years ago is pretty much where you are right now because of the lowering values and just the bad performance of pension funds. So all this comes down to the very obvious, I suppose the obvious question, not the obvious answer so much, the obvious question of what are you going to do about it? And how can you change this? Because obviously this is just like spiraling out of control in so many different levels. And to me, there is a relatively straightforward answer, and it's to get trading or get educated into trading so you can try to figure out what you can do about this for yourself. Now, just last night, my time, I held a live webinar with our clients. We discussed a variety of time frame charts, monthly charts, of which we've got 5 trades on for the month of November. We discussed weekly charts, some daily charts, which we've taken about 9 trades this week, 12-hour charts, 8-hour and 6-hour. So with that in mind, that means that you can trade those time frames in sort of 15 to 30 minutes per day by looking at your charts 2 or 3 times easily. We're not talking about sitting there looking at like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute charts where you got to sit there all day and night just staring at charts, getting really stressed about your trading. Not that at all. We're talking about making this practical, that you can do this, doesn't matter where you live in the world, what time zone you're on, what commitments you currently have with current employment or holidays or family, whatever it is, you can do this once you know what you're doing. So on that webinar, I took a New Zealand Canadian trade, and I took a Euro US trade. One is still in, the New Zealand Canadian still in profit right now. The Euro US actually hit profit in under 1 hour. We also had one of Wednesday's daily chart trades hit profit on the pound Canadian with the drop in the pound in the European session on Thursday, and that hit the profit target as well. Also, just to let you know that on Friday, the 18th of November, I'm holding our Black Friday sale. We do this each year, and it just gives a lot of people opportunity to jump on board with us here at the Forex Trading Coach for a crazy low price. Now, we're holding our Black Friday sale 1 week earlier than the actual Black Friday. And so there's a lot going on around the world with that whole time of year with Thanksgiving in the States and things like that. So we've actually brought it forward. We're bringing our Black Friday sale forward 1 week to Friday, the 18th of November. If you are in the US or in Europe, that will be your Thursday, the 17th start time. If you'd like to jump on board with us here at the Forex Trading Coach during that Black Friday sale. Register your interest. Really important that you do that. I will put a link here so you can register your interest. There's no commitment. It's just purely register your interest so you can find out more about the sale. It's the full course. It's everything that we have as the normal $2,497 US course. The Black Friday sale is going to be nothing like that. It's going to be a massive reduction. It's going to be a 12-hour sale, and it's really important that you do register to find out details about how you can take advantage of that. It's a crazy low price, and when you consider all the other options you have right now, vastly just massively disappearing, and all your costs are going up and up and up, do yourself a favor. Learn how to trade properly, learn how to look after your financial future and security by yourself. There's no better time and more important time than right now. So once again, register your interest for the Black Friday sale, and I'll see you this time next week with another video and podcast. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.